I had to come out here and check on it. Never fully dried. So I did took some sponge and kind of dried the stuff, but took stuff away. So what do y'all think? Or, oh, the back side looks pretty cool too. I think I'll just let it dry and present it as it is. It's a crazy thing I see. Remember that in a different color scheme. Remember the first Alien movie? The center part? Kind of looks like that. That's what I think. What do y'all think?